Hi guys, it's the 20th of January 2016. It's around 7:15 here in the UK in the evening. The BBC tonight, in their own words, admitted to there being a ninth planet or a planet X. So remember this date, guys, the 20th of January 2016. I really do believe disclosure's on the way now. I'm just going to play this for you. And, well, you just watch, guys. Sorry, it's just taking a second to load. Anyway, American astronomers say there's strong evidence that there's a ninth planet in our solar system, orbiting far beyond even the dwarf world Pluto. The team from California Institute of Technology, Caltech, has no direct observations to confirm its presence just yet. Rather, the scientists make the claim based on the way other far-flung objects are seen to move. But if proven, the putative planet would have 10 times the mass of Earth. The Caltech astronomers have a vague idea of where it ought to be in the sky, and their work is sure to fire a campaign to try and track it down. There are many telescopes on Earth that actually have a chance of being able to find it, said Dr. Mike Brown. I'm really hoping that as we announce this, people start a worldwide search to go find this ninth planet. Well guys, how about that? I'll just be interested to see how far this news article gets out. Right, here we go. Strange swing. The group's calculations suggest the object orbits 20 times farther than the Sun. The average does 20 times farther than the Sun on average than does the eighth, and currently outermost planet Neptune, which moves about 4.5 billion kilometres from our star. But unlike the near circular paths traced by the main planets, this novel object will be in a highly elliptical trajectory, taking it between 10,000 and 20,000 years to complete one full lap around the Sun. The Caltech group has analysed the movements of the objects in a band of far-off icy material known as the Kuiper Belt. It is in this band that Pluto resides. The scientists say they see distinct alignments among some members of the Kuiper Belt, and in particular two of its largest members known as Sedna 2012 VP113. These alignments, they argue, are best explained by the existence of a hitherto unidentified large planet. The most distant objects all swing out in one direction in a very strange way that shouldn't happen, and we realise that the only way we could get them to swing in one direction as if there was a massive planet, also very distant in the solar system, keeping them in place while they go around the Sun, Dr. Brown explained. I went from trying very hard to be sceptical that they were talking about was so true to suddenly thinking this might actually be true. Models and observations. The idea that there might be a so-called Planet X, I mean, there you go guys, there, Planet X, in the BBC's own words, this stuff is rare. Anyway, reaches the solar system and has been debated for more than 100 years. It's fallen in and out of vogue. What makes this claim a little more interesting is the lead author behind it. Dr. Brown specialises in finding far-flung objects, and it was his discovery of 2.236 kilometre wide Eris in the Kuiper Belt in 2005 that led to the demolition of Pluto from the full planet status a year later. At that stage, Pluto was thought to be slightly smaller than Eris, but is now known to just be a little bit bigger. Others who modelled the outer solar system have been saying for some years that the range of sizes seen in the objects so far identified in the Kuiper Belt suggests that another planet, perhaps the size of Earth or Mars, could be there possibly, but there's sure to be strong scepticism until a confirmed telescopic observation is made. Well, there you go guys, absolutely crazy, case made for the ninth planet by the BBC. I'm going to get this posted up. I'll see you all soon. Eyes to the skies, God bless and take care.